All right, what's up, Facebook family? Checking on the team out here in Gallatin. What's going on, Travis? What are we doing?
We just about done getting our shelves etched in here. We're gonna get underlayment going and liner today. Hopefully get these face plates attached, and then tomorrow, as Dee Snyder said, I want to rock. I want to rock.
So we got waterfall starting here, coming down, crashing in. Shelves going on. Depth is gonna be 2 feet. Finished. All right, guys, there you go. Everybody say bye.
Gang, it's Travis. Just wanted to bring you up to speed on the project out here in the Gallatin area, like Derek and I promised yesterday. So what we've been doing is rocking a pond, and I'll just get over here by the skimmer, kind of show you what we got. By the end of the day yesterday, we had, I don't know, 10 or so rocks in the pond, and just wasn't that impressive. But today, got the bottom and the top shelf rocked in. Got a few more to do down here. A couple more things to finish over here tomorrow and get the skimmer done. Water's gonna come cruising down through this carved out piece, and water level's somewhere in this neighborhood. So it's gonna have a nice bunch of aeration right here. Hey gang, it's day 3 out here in the Gallatin area, and we're done. Pretty righteous, huh? I'm pretty happy with it. I don't really want to go home. I want to sit here and just chill with it. But we got to put our toys away and get ready for the next one. So we'll see you next time. Cheers.